This is a very short video on how to make sure when you access the Chorley History Society Google Drive that you're accessing it with the correct rights so that you can set the correct viewing rights for different documents, and so that everybody else in the society, or as many people as you want in the society, can see the documents and edit them. Basically, most of us nowadays probably have a Google Drive, whether we a Google account, whether we know it or not. But when you go to Google Drive, which is drive.google.com, and when you go there, you will end up on a page that looks very much like this with Google Drive logo. Make sure, if you look to the top right, you'll see what you're logged into Google as. And at the moment, I'm logged in as me with that wonderful photograph. But there are various other Google accounts which I have stored on my computer, and one of them is Chorley History Society. So I click on that, and I'm now into the Google Drive for Chorley History Society. So it looks the same, but this is the Google Drive for Chorley History Society. Now, if you don't have any other drives, if you don't have Chorley History Society on here already, go to Add Another Account, click on Add Another Account, and it will go to the Google sign-in page. Put in the account you want to sign into, which in this case would be chorleyhistorysociety@gmail.com, and click Next. It'll ask you for the password, fill in the password, hit Next, and then you should get into the Google Drive. Sometimes it may ask for an authentication, two-stage authentication, which basically means that it wants to send a text message to a designated phone number associated with the account, and that text message then sends a code, and that code gets put in once only, and then that will be remembered on your computer, and you'll be able to access from then on. So if you're getting a request for a two-stage authentication, you're going to have to speak probably to Jenny, I think, to get details of that. Anyway, if we then go back to Google Drive and say now that we want to share a document which we have created earlier, we go to, say it's a parish record, so go into the parish records, find the document you want to share. Now generally I think what we're doing is sharing, we're creating documents in Word, in Google Docs, and then we are saving them as a PDF. So we create them in Word, in Google Docs, which is editable, so anybody can edit it who has access as a user for Chorley History Society, and then you save it and export it as a PDF. So in this case, Baptism 1 there is the Google Doc, and it's been exported and saved as Baptism 1 PDF. So if we then right click on that, it gives us various options, and one of them is share. So click on share, and it says here the link sharing is set at the moment. Anyone with the link can view. The other options are anyone with the link can edit, and anyone with the link can comment. There are other options which are that anybody can see it. So if they were to do a search on the web for baptism records for Chorley, then that file would come up to anybody. So we've decided generally that it should be anyone with the link can view, not anyone can view. So anyone with the link can view there, yes. Okay, and then it says anyone with a link can view, and that's the link. Okay, so you just hit copy link, and that has now copied the link, and then that means anybody with that link can view the document. We then go into Weebly, into the editing part. If you see here, weebly.com/editor, so we're in the editing part of the website. We go to the page you want to edit, so click on pages, go to, I think we said it was parish registers, didn't we? So go to parish registers, and it brings up parish registers, and then in fact, let me go deeper than that. Let's go to census information. There we are. And then we can see here, we've got various census information, various years. You go to the file or the Word or whatever it is that you want to add the link to, so that when the person clicks on that link, it takes them to the document, the PDF document. You put link, website, click paste, and that's now pasted the PDF that we had in Google Drive, that PDF. It's clicked the shareable link for that PDF, and it's added it so that when we click on that image, it takes us to the baptisms PDF in a new page on the web. Okay, so that's as simple as that. If I go now here, you can see click on link, and there's the link. I'm going to unlink it because we don't want it to go to baptisms, but that's basically how you do it. Once you've done that, you click publish, and then when you go to the so I'll hit publish, go to the publish website, go to History Society, and then to census information. That's the one that we had, and you click on that, and that will take you to this PDF. Okay, so that's how it works. Hope that makes sense.